Hello everyone, I want you to introduce to the new Quicklock plate from RRD. This is the box, and inside the box we can find a package with the keys and set of screws and the new Quicklock plate from RRD. The new Quicklock plate is compatible with all Universal ALU MAST from the RRD collection. What you need to do once you receive your Quicklock plate is to replace the actual plate with the new Quicklock plate. Now the Quicklock plate is assembled to the Universal ALU MAST, and I will explain you how to use it. So the Quicklock plate is made up of two components, the plate and the insert. So what I have to do is to attach the plate to the board. Once the plate is attached to the board, I can leave it there. So now I do the procedure. So I separate the two components, the mast from the plate, and I attach the new plate on the board. Now that I have attached the plate to the board, I can leave it here. And every time I go for my session, I just need to attach the mast to the plate and fix it with only one screw. And now I'm ready to go for my session.